Imagine stepping into your kitchen and brewing a cafe-quality latte, cold brew, or espresso in minutes, without leaving home, and without second-guessing the process. That experience is closer than you think. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we explore products with thoughtful analysis, experience, and honesty, so you can make purchases that truly deliver. Today, we're looking at the Longhi Specialista Touch Espresso Machine, a semi-automatic, bean-to-cup coffee maker designed for coffee lovers who want precision, consistency, and creativity at home. This isn't just a coffee machine, it's a complete barista experience. With an integrated grinder, guided touch interface, automatic milk frother, cold brew functionality, and 10 drink presets, the Specialista Touch is built for anyone who values convenience without compromising control. If you enjoy espresso, cappuccino, iced coffee, or latte art, this machine is immediately relevant. For those ready to elevate their coffee routine, the purchase link is in the description and pinned comment. Let's explore 7 reasons why the Specialista Touch stands out in the world of home espresso machines. Reason number 1. Precision bean-to-cup grinding. At the heart of the Specialista Touch is its Italian-made conical burr grinder, providing 15 grind settings and consistent dosing for single or double shots. The Bean Adapt technology helps you dial in the ideal grind, dose, and extraction time for each bean type. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this system ensures every cup delivers balanced flavor, aroma, and body, bridging the gap between professional barista control and at-home convenience. Reason number 2. Guided interactive touch experience. This machine is more than buttons. It's an interactive guide. The 3.5-inch touch display walks you through each step, from grinding to frothing, offering real-time tips and immediate feedback. Even for beginners, it's intuitive, helping you consistently achieve the right extraction and explore a wide range of beans and roasts with confidence. Reason number 3. 10 preset drink recipes. From espresso to flat white, cold brew, iced latte, cappuccino, latte macchiato, hot milk, and more, the Specialista Touch has 10 drink presets. Each can be customized by bean, froth level, temperature, and strength, offering flexibility without sacrificing ease of use. For households with multiple coffee preferences, this versatility keeps everyone happy. Reason number 4. Automatic milk frothing with microfoam control. The integrated milk frothy adjusts across 5 froth levels and 4 temperature settings to create velvety microfoam. Whether using dairy or plant-based milk, it consistently produces cafe-style texture. For those who enjoy latte art, the manual frothing option allows you to refine your technique, giving professional-level results from the comfort of your kitchen. Reason number 5. Rapid cold brew and espresso extraction. With proprietary cold extraction technology and an advanced thermoblock, you can brew smooth cold coffee in under 5 minutes while preserving aroma and flavor. Active temperature control with PID technology ensures consistent heat for espresso, and the 9-bar pressure system delivers optimal extraction. This combination gives you both speed and precision, perfect for busy mornings or creative coffee experiments. Reason number 6. Comprehensive barista kit included. The Specialista Touch comes with a complete barista kit: precision tamper, portafilter, single-wall filter baskets, dosing guide, tamping mat, and stainless steel milk jug. This thoughtful inclusion helps you measure and tamp accurately, enhancing flavor extraction and making hands-on brewing satisfying and precise. Reason number 7. Award-winning design and long-term reliability. Beyond performance, the Specialista Touch is designed with iconic Italian craftsmanship. Winner of the 2025 Red and IF Design Awards, the brushed, intuitive touch interface and compact footprint complement any kitchen. Durable construction and intuitive maintenance routines ensure years of consistent performance, making it a reliable long-term investment. Final verdict. The Longhi Specialista Touch espresso machine balances professional precision with user-friendly design. Its guided interface, automatic frothing, cold brew capability, and customizable drink presets deliver a full cafe experience at home. While it is a premium investment and may require occasional cleaning and descaling, the control, speed, and versatility it offers make it ideal for coffee enthusiasts who value both convenience and quality. For anyone serious about home espresso, it's an elegant, reliable, and highly customizable choice. Purchase links are in the description and pinned comment for those ready to explore their coffee craft confidently.